Hi there, I hope you are having a good day. Today I am going to show you how you can close the CMD pop-up. The reason is showing because you install some programs that are missing some registration files or there are leftovers from the uninstalled programs. I am going to show you 3 methods, and I hope one of them will be perfect for you. Method 1. Clean and optimize the C drive in which you install the Windows operating system. Go to this PC, right-click on the C drive, go to Properties, go to the Tool section. Use both options one by one. Wait for 5 minutes and check if this fixes your issue. Method 2. Open the Run.exe. Type this text to open the task scheduler, and follow my steps shown in the video. After that, wait for 5 minutes. If this fixes your problem, then hit the like button so other people also can fix this problem. And make sure to subscribe because you never know the future's problem. And now let's go to method 3. Track down the running pop-up file and delete it by following the shown steps in the video. In my case, you can see auto format file system utility is running. So let's track down which program is responsible for this. Open the task manager. Find the program line, right-click on it and go to Detail. Oh yes, as you can see, these files are the leftover. I have worked with them. As far I remember, I am going to open the file location, and boom, I am back in my C drive program folder. Now in order to delete it, first, I need to close all the tasks running in the background. After that, I am going to delete it quickly. And that's it. I hope this video will fix your problem. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a beautiful comment. See you later.